nitrosol 100 grams, caustic soda or you call sodium hydroxide 60 grams, soda ash 350 grams, Texapon 100 grams, sulfonic acid 1 liter, SLS sodium lauryl sulfate 120 grams, STPP 120 grams, sodium sulfate 100 grams, color as desire, foam booster 1 liter, perfume 30 ml. Let's get into the production proper. So here guys, we're going to produce 10 liters of liquid soap. Okay, so I used like 6 liters to dissolve other chemicals and the remaining liter of water, this is what I use in dissolving this nitrosol right now. Yes, you don't dissolve your nitrosol to keep, you dissolve when you're ready to do the production. Okay, and I add my caustic soda to the solution and I will stir properly. You call it caustic soda or you call sodium hydroxide. Is a very essential ingredient in soap making. Okay, and we add our soda ash. Soda ash helps in cleansing. It is additive in liquid soap making. Add it and stir. Immediately you add soda ash, the consistency will change. Have you seen it? It will change. Don't worry, don't panic. Keep stirring, and you'll see the difference. Have you seen that? Yes. So the next thing you add to your mixing bowl is Texapon and sulfonic acid. Texapon and sulfonic, they always go, they are twins, they always go one in one when it comes to liquid soap making. If you use water to dissolve your Texapon, it will dissolve, yes, but it will take a while. So for you not to waste your time, use sulfonic acid, dissolve your Texapon before adding to your main solution. Do you understand? Stir properly. If you don't stir very well, your soap will have lumps and you wouldn't want that. Okay, the next thing to be added is SLS sodium lauryl sulfate. Add it and stir. It is a very good foam booster. It will give this luxury kind of foam to your soap. Do you understand? It is a surfactant in soap production. I add my STPP and I stir properly. Remember to always stir. STPP helps to prevent soap oil from settling. Okay, so stir properly and then I add my sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate is a thickener just like nitrosol. It helps your soap to be thick. Do you understand? And then stir properly. Add your foam booster for your soap to have a lot of foam. This soap booster and the SLS, then the soda ash will help your soap to foam very well. Okay, you won't have any complaint from your customers. And now I'm adding my perfume. I am using strawberry and lemon. I added strawberry off camera. Okay, I added lemon off camera. I'm adding strawberry now. I add my preservative Jamal Plus. So when it comes to preservative and perfume, you can choose any perfume of your choice. You can choose to use sodium benzoate, but here I'm using Jamal Plus. Then I added 1 liter of water, extra 1 liter of water because it was very thick and I stay. Even with that, have you seen it? It is still very thick, but I will not add water now again until the following day. I add my glycerin for moisturizing. Guys, if this is your first time with me, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. I promise to be posting new videos here every Wednesday. I mean good videos as far as cosmetics manufacturing is concerned. So support me to do more. Thank you so much. I added sky blue color and lemon color. You can choose any color of your choice and I cover it to keep for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is it. Before this bottling, guys, I added extra 2 liters of water. Sorry, have you seen it? Very nice. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe. And if you have any question, ask on the comment section and I'm always here to answer. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.